I'm not gonna say what it is though. I gotta drop it off today. Before we go, 2 things that are amazing today. New flavor of Monster. It's pretty good. I would say like a cucumber lime. It's pretty tasty. And I'm just so grateful that we got our new 5.3 dad hats in, dude. This is gonna be our first like real drop of 2019. Check it out. So money, dude. If you're a dad or a mom or not or neither, you would look so good in this. Wow. Check it. Oh, not the right one. Oh, it's such a dad move. This is a really big box for this.
Oh, it's gritty?
It's gritty. It's real gritty.
It's definitely
Dude, this looks so crazy, like weird and crazy. It looks like a tank. It's a German tank.
Day 2.
You know, surprisingly, that wasn't really as awful as we thought. I put the trailer in a spot where I didn't have much resistance and we just had to push. I don't know, it wasn't that bad. So cool, we got it on. Whew, okay, sorry. That was a lot of pushing. So we have a little bit of driving to do. We're dropping off the Z to Trackstar Motorworks to get this build finalization started. Z's on the trailer. Got the ACU sump. Got like my flywheel, starter, all my Mishimoto stuff. We have a lot of stuff. Basically every like motor mounts, everything to finish up the build we have in here.
Is this gonna like flap?
Nah, it's hardwire, it's hard line attached.
On the road again!
Aw, lame. Do a burnout or something. Blow your motor. Come on. Alright, we made it here without any problems. Nothing flew off the car, so we're fine. Trailer Tom, baby! Yeah! Am I gonna hit something? Nope. Oh, almost. That gum. Alright, thank you, Tom. We'll take it from here.
I'm digging the,
Hey, how you like the white, dude?
Man, dude, you did a great job.
Thank you.
Good.
It's probably gonna get really dirty.
That's okay. It looks really
Ethan
good.
said he would acid bath his hands before before touching anything. Oh, come on. Simple enough. I was a little worried. So I need to see if the adapter plate works without having to. The question is, do I need to machine that bell housing or change it or not? And if I do, it needs to be addressed today. So this adapts my CD09 to an LS3. Alrighty.
What's up, man?
What, it looks like it bolts up, but you tell me.
Are we supposed to trim meat away
Anything
to
back?
compensate for that? Hopefully there's a maybe.
So we've got a starter that's plain and simple. I've got my adapter flywheel that goes to the LS3 and the LS3, and then we got a bunch of Mishimoto stuff, and then just boxes on boxes. So it's heat stuff. I don't know what this is. It looks like it opens the key. It's the gate to eternity. It looks like a key, but I'm sure there's instructions somewhere. A lot of nuts, bolts, spacers, and adapters and stuff like that. Again. Wow. Some heavy duty
I like it.
It's gonna be stiff.
I like it. You ready for this car to be transformed, man? This is gonna be...
It's gonna be 100% different.
It's gonna be nice.
Here's a U-shaped thing that's made out of metal.
It's gonna invalidate your SC. This whole thing is gonna totally invalidate the SC.
It's said on camera.
More bolts and nuts. Okay. Yeah, I will say, like, all their stuff has their logo on it, and it's all really, like, the powder coat is great, or paint or whatever it is. Pretty good stuff. And correct guess.
Whoa.
Whoa. Holy crap. That's tight.
Oh, we got it cut off.
So what's cool about these long tubes they actually adapt to a stock 350Z exhaust. So I can buy a 350Z exhaust, make it sound really good, make it look like a 350Z, and still have these badass long tubes. That's crazy.
Yeah, that looks really
Dude, that's awesome. Alright, so we got the gaskets. That, I don't believe there's anything else in there. So the only things we're still really waiting on is the drive shaft. So I've got Mishimoto cooling components. We got a radiator in there. I've got the fans in there. I've got the shroud somewhere. Okay, so she's here. The next steps are to obviously get the LS. We're about to do the engine dyno. We're about to pick everything up from LKQ, ATK, and it's going to be sick. But we can't do anything until we have the engine. We're leaving this here because it's going to be raining the next couple days, so I went ahead and took this here today. Made sure this fit, this does fit, made sure we have all the parts, we have everything but the drive shaft, and now we're pretty much ready to get this started, officially started. We also have a hydro to do, so I'm gonna be up here a lot. We have, I think, a little over 3 weeks maybe, or no, yeah. We have a little over 3 weeks to get this car done. So I'm really hoping that we can get this done in a crunch. Tahoe was the move, the dad move of the century. So happy with this thing. See, it's gone, it's all gone. So now I've got to run by ATK and drop off some stuff so that they can finish the engine and get it on the dyno. So much going on, and I've had so much caffeine today. Blah, blah, blah. Woo! How do you take a nap? LKQ! I'm a dad right now. I have AC on full blast. I have butt AC on as well. All right, I just took up like 7 parking spots. Really sorry. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek on the LS3. Never before seen legendary sneak peek of this, yeah. Okay, so this is the oil pan.
Yeah, way
So show me what,
yeah.
Okay, this is, so I got external.
Yeah, way big.
So here we go. I've never shown you guys this, but this is brand new, never used GM LS3. Brand new heads. So what all, okay, remind me what all you guys did to the heads, like what all you guys have serviced on it.
Yeah, it's had a valve job done. It's had some combustion chamber cleanup. It's stainless valves, dual springs, no real port work or anything. Pretty stock LS3 heads otherwise.
Okay, that's gonna be cool. I'm so excited to have this in the car. It's got manly pistons and rods? Or
Manly pistons, scat rods.
scat rods? Okay. Dude, this thing's gonna be crazy. There you go, that's the first look on this. I can't wait to see how much power it's gonna make. Next time we come back, we're gonna be doing the engine dyno, which is in there. Man, you have no idea how exciting it is to be working with those guys. Such a cool opportunity. My pants are falling down because I have a million things in my pocket right now. I've got to go over to Summit Racing to buy about 1 million different parts and spend good amounts of money. So here's the list of stuff I need to go get, plus some. So we got to get the car ready for engine dyno, which is going to be really cool. I've never seen it done before, but we got to get all of this. Very excited about this LS build. It's going to make the car really balanced, and it's going to make it super drivable. And honestly, I will finally know if I suck or if I'm good. If I have driving skill or if I don't. That sounds dumb. Like, I know that I've done pretty good for having broken cars in the past, but I'm really just thrilled to have a car that's so well set up, and I'm so excited to have so many different teams working with me. ISR, Mishimoto, ATK, Trackstar, BC, like all these companies have been sponsoring the car. It's been such a huge blessing. My daily advice for you guys is going to be, Buy 5 supplies. I'm just playing. But seriously, actually, that's pretty good. I saw earlier today on my Instagram, somebody had asked if Victoria ever gets really upset or frustrated or annoyed with all the money I spend on cars or all the stuff I spend on cars. Somebody had replied for me. I didn't even see this until now. They had said Evan would sell everything, drop everything, and drive a '98 Civic over losing a relationship with Victoria. And man, I just can't stress enough. I want to be an example for you guys. You can be successful without blowing everybody off in your life. You don't have to abandon your wife, your family, your kids, your parents, your friends, you don't have to push people aside, and you don't have to be a dick to get to the top. You can be successful while still caring about others and putting others first. That's my biggest thing. Money will always be here. There's so much money in the world, you'll be able to get money somehow. Working all day long and grinding will never end up buying you time or the love of your life or a true relationship. So make sure you prioritize and have a balance to your life. Like Thanos says, balance is key. But don't be like Thanos, because Thanos is a little bit of a douche. It's really simple, just to love others. But anyways, all you guys, peace out. I'll see you guys soon. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have 2 videos for you, literally in front of your face, that are both super good, and you should definitely watch them. If you don't watch them, then I'm gonna scream. I'm just kidding, but I might scream actually. That's probably a good idea.